Alabama! The farther you are outside your comfort zone, the closer you are to the what?
The money!
Show me the what?
Money!
Show me the what?
Money!
Show me the what?
Money!
Who's the customer?
Everybody!
Who's not a customer?
Nobody!
Whose driving situations can be improved?
Everybody!
Make all that money, improve those driving situations, improve your own financial situations. You've been J-Mac'd. How do you feel?
J-Mac!
We sell as well as we feel. Our physiology affects our psychology, which determines our actions. A final yes! 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 I think you got them. Oh, you want one more? Yes!
Sit here, what we gonna make?
Money! 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 Woo! I tell you what, I don't think that's going to be beat for a long, long time.
That's what we're talking about.
You've been what?